Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button, and I want to give a big shout out to all my new channel members. What's up, gang? Let's get it. Thank you so much for your support, guys. And as promised, let's get into the video. So I had a new client and she was super amazing. She allowed me to record her and she told me that she'd been stalking me for about 3 months. So shout out to you, girl. She finally made it in. She came from Jersey. Major love was shown. She's such a beautiful person inside and out, and she really loved the experience. So I just really wanted to let her know that she was amazing. She can come back anytime. And we were actually watching my story time, which I literally don't really tell people about it just because I'll be cursing in there. But guys, you know how some people, you just know their vibe and you can do more stuff with them. She's definitely one of those people. So just shout out to you, girl. You were super amazing. So this new client, I make all new clients book a new client silk press package, and that basically includes the intense hydrating silk press service, which includes 3 shampoos with 3 different shampoos. I use a moisturizing, a deep cleanse, and a stimulating shampoo, and then I also go in with a moisturizing and stimulating conditioner. I don't know why I was just stuck on that. So once I did that, that also includes the steam and everything. Just sets the tone for a whole appointment. And I do take about 15 to 20 minutes per client to shampoo. I do not skimp out on the shampoo service at all. I believe it's the foundation for a good appointment. So once I did that, I'm just going in. I am using my leaf and flower hair products. You guys know they sent me a PR kit a while back, and I've literally been addicted to their products ever since. Like, no cap, I have them all in the background if you zoom in, and they're actually on my station currently next to me. So I like to use the 7-minute blowout, and I also like to use a tiny drop of the molecular oil. The reason being is because the molecular oil, it does coat the hair to make sure that you don't get heat damage, but then the 7-minute blowout, it does help with the blow dry time. Now, does it take 7 minutes for my natural clients? No, it does not, but it does cut down the time, and it helps to get a smoother, shinier result when you're blow drying the hair. So that's why I use those two in part with each other. So I'm just going in. I've already blown her hair off camera, and I'm sectioning her hair out. I am going in with my custom flat irons. They're currently unavailable. I don't know if I'm going to be restocking them or not, to be honest. I have a couple left, but your girl is just doing a lot. So if you are on my membership tab, you guys already know what's going on in my life right now. But I'm just going to press her hair out and then just show you guys how I'm going to trim her ends. And then I will leave in the end result when she was saying that she loved her hair and everything. This video is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just doing a silk press, making sure to part the hair. I'm using a heat protectant, and she just wanted her hair bone straight. So again, for the new client silk press, it includes the intense hydrating, which is 3 different shampoos, and a deep condition with the steam. Then it also includes your press, and it also includes a trim. Now, you might say, what if they don't need a hair trim? Then I will just take that off. But 9 times out of 10, if they're a new client, they haven't been to me, a lot of times they haven't been to the salon in a while either. So I include the trim. It's very rarely that they don't need it. But if they don't need it, I will just take that service off and then just refund that portion of the service. But pretty much 9 times out of 10, new clients need a hair trim, and it's been a while since they've been to the hair salon. So I always get those clients that want to have the full service, and I don't believe in half doing a service. So I figured if I bundle it in a package, then you pretty much get the best service top to bottom, and you kind of know what you're coming in for, and you don't have to ask to add things on a la carte. So it's Saturday. I'm getting ready to head to work. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm doing this voiceover. I'm going in at 11 today, so I'm going to try to hopefully upload this before I go in. But if you have not already, make sure to follow your girl on Instagram at _Cassandra Olivia. Hit that like button, drop a comment down below. And if you are interested in more detailed tutorials, behind the scenes, close friends, all of that good jazz, want to get to know me on a little bit more personal of a level and break down like some questions, pick my brain, then please sign up for the membership. They're as low as 99 cents, guys. So check that out, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, and I'm outie. Bye. That's what's up, boy. Okay. Got one down here.
You're precise.
I am.
I love it. I love it.
There we go. All right, I'm done.
I love it. Oh my God.
Bam.
Oh my God.
Oh wait, let me turn this a little bit. I gotta get you for the camera piece. And then you are all done, bro. You got some hair. Look how healthy your hair looks. Like,
Wow,
who is
yes.
she? She doesn't even go here.
What?
Oh, not the hair swing. Oh, we got you. I got you in here about to act all the way up. So this also is a selfie mirror. So if you want to take selfies and all that, I will just move this big ugly black chair out of the way. So
Oh my God. I
you
love
got a
it.
cute outfit on.
Yeah, thank you. Oh my God. I love it. Oh.
Welcome to the Cool Kids Club.
Oh my God. I love it though. I love that it has your name on it.
I know, I was trying to get into my branding.